Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to install a TV Bro browser to your Android TV box without any issues. If you find this video helpful, please drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So here's my TV box I'm currently using, and here's how the home page looks like. I'm going to show you the process that I'll follow to install the TV Pro application. So the process is the same no matter the TV box you are using. If it looks different, just know the process is still the same. So what do you have to do is go over to your apps and look for Google. As you can see on my apps here, I don't have Play Store, I don't have any other application that can install apps. So I'm going to use Google. So as you go over to Google, what you have to do is just log into your Google. The reason I'm asking you to log into Google is because once you log into Google on your device, it gives you access to Play Store, even though the application might not be available. So once you logged into Google, what you have to do over here is just go ahead and search for the application. So as you can see on my screen, here's the application TV Bro app, and that's it. So once you search for it, it's simple. Just go over here and click install, and it's as simple as that. So as you click install, as you can see, the application is already giving you the opportunity to install. And I just want to say TV Bro is my best browser on Android TV. Even though my Android TV box is the best browser I love on my Android TV, and I use it the most. So once you're here, just click install, and the TV Pro application is going to be installed to your Android TV box. And that's how to install the application. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share this video for more videos like this.